Donuts with cheese garlic sauce is a delicious and indulgent dish that combines the savory flavors of fried chicken and the sweetness of donuts. Here's a simple recipe you can try at home. Ingredients: 4 boneless chicken breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon paprika. 2 eggs, beaten. 1 cup panko breadcrumbs. Vegetable oil, for frying. 4 glazed donuts. 1/2 cup shredded cheddar cheese. 1/4 cup mayonnaise. 1/4 cup sour cream. 1 garlic clove, minced. Salt and pepper, to taste. Instructions. In a shallow dish, mix together the flour, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. In another shallow dish, beat the eggs. Dip each piece of chicken in the flour mixture, then dip in the beaten eggs, and finally coat in the panko breadcrumbs. Heat a few inches of vegetable oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the chicken pieces in batches and fry until golden brown and cook through, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Remove with a slotted spoon and place on a paper towel-lined plate to drain excess oil. In a small bowl, whisk together the shredded cheddar cheese, mayonnaise, sour cream, minced garlic, salt, and pepper until well combined. Cut the glazed donuts in half horizontally. Place a few pieces of fried chicken on the bottom half of each donut, and then drizzle the cheese garlic sauce over the chicken. Top with the other half of the donut and serve immediately. Enjoy your crispy chicken donuts with cheese garlic sauce.